Brixton Hill has been identified as one of the most polluted areas in London. To help combat air pollution, a community orchard was set up to provide green space and fruitful opportunities for residents to get involved.
So it's been almost exactly a year since we planted the orchard, starting with a community day, and we've really found that the orchard has acted as a hub for the community to come together really. We've done workshops throughout summer and autumn last year, and also carrying on through the winter this year. And we've had such a diverse groups of people coming and being involved, all ages, all aspects of the community, and people coming in and sort of getting to meet each other in situations that they wouldn't necessarily have a chance to do in any other sense. So in London, it's not always easy for people to have access to their natural habitat, to green spaces, and what we've been trying to give here is a way that people can come along, learn about the trees that are around them, learn about plants, and learn by doing so, by planting and by pruning and by taking care of plants, and also by enjoying the fruits when they come. So having that aspect of being involved in the growth and maintenance of plants, and then also being able to enjoy the aspects of it as they come through and see the fruits coming onto the trees.